Welcome back to my channel, Natasya R1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showcasing 3 essential oils that's perfect for alleviating pain. Whether you have muscle pain, joint pain, or neck pain, these essential oils are healing and will help relieve the pain that you currently feel. So stick around as we get into it. Essential oils have been used for thousands of years in natural homeopathic remedies. It is a fantastic way and an alternative to medication, traditional medication, to help alleviate pain. It's been used in Asian and Indian natural remedies, and it's something that I use in my daily life that's helped me to deal with pain. The first essential oil that we have is lemongrass. Lemongrass essential oil. This essential oil is found in India and in Asia. It's even used in cooking as well, although these are not used, these essential oils are not used for cooking. These are used specifically for treating aches and pains. Lemongrass has a stimulating, soothing, and relaxing effect to the body once applied. So what aches and pains does it help with? Well, it helps to relieve muscle pain, digestive pains if you have stomach pains, body aches, muscle spasms, headaches, and if you're looking for something to just relax you and also stimulate you at the same time, if you want to go for a run or walk and you need something to just energize you. Lemongrass oil is also anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial and antifungal. So what that means is that it fights fungal infections when applied to the skin or to the body. It's also anti-inflammatory. It fights inflammation like joint pain and arthritis, and antimicrobial, where if you have let's say a skin infection, it helps to kill the microbes that are in that infection, so it reduces ultimate pain. How do you use lemongrass? Well, you can add it to a cream, maybe 2 or 3 drops to your moisturizing cream, and you can apply that all over your body or to the pain affected areas. The alternative is you put it into a carrier oil and you take a few drops and rub it onto your body. I know that when I do walking, I usually use it if I have a muscle spasm or a muscle strain, and I apply it with a carrier oil like coconut oil, or on its own, just 2 or 3 drops just to that area. And within an hour, I feel so much better. Another way to use the oil is obviously in a healing bath. So put it into a carrier oil, probably 2 drops of the essential oil into 10 drops of coconut oil or a tablespoon, and put maybe 2 drops into your nighttime bath, and it becomes a daily routine or weekly routine if you've really had a stressful day. So lemongrass essential oil is fantastic. Next essential oil that we have is frankincense oil, and a lot of you might be aware of this oil from the Bible. And frankincense is also known as Boswellia serrata, and it's a plant that's found in India as well, and it is fantastic. It smells so good. It's got this earthy aromatic aroma to it. And what it's great for is it's an anti-inflammatory, powerful anti-inflammatory, fighting inflammation. A lot of people that suffer with IBS, Crohn's disease, digestive issues, arthritis, joint pain use this essential oil. And there's a lot of medical research out there. Guys, do your homework and you'll see frankincense or Boswellia serrata is phenomenal. What kind of pain does it help with? Gut pain, joint pain, arthritis, IBS, headaches, muscle spasm, any kind of pain. I mean, this is a very expensive essential oil, I have to be honest, but it is so worth every drop. Again, how do you use it? Either in the cream, a healing bath, or a massage. You can even do a massage, a head massage if you're having a headache. Take a few drops of coconut oil and massage your head for about a minute or 2, and you will find that your headaches actually alleviate. Another thing that frankincense oil is powerful for is chest infections. So whether it's bronchitis or asthma, again, fantastic and powerful. I used to suffer with asthma, and sometimes when I have stress and anxiety, the chest tightens. By using this in the morning or in the evening, it actually alleviates and relaxes the chest. So great alternative to traditional medication. Guys, the next essential oil is lavender oil. From the lavender tree and plant, it is amazing, guys. And what I mean by amazing, it's antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, packed with antioxidants. It's been used for 2,500 years. So it's probably one of the most popular essential oils in the world. I've used it when I've had muscle spasms, headaches, when I've had a rough day at work and I want to relax at home to de-stress. You can use it in a diffuser if you want to relax and have a soothing, tranquil mood. It's also been used in patients with PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. So it actually calms trauma patients. I mean, this is a powerful essential oil. So traditionally what it's been used for is headaches, nerve pain. So if you had neuralgia, which is a condition which affects your nerves, it helps to alleviate nerve pain. Gut pain, I use it on my tummy when I have an upset tummy. Shoulder pain, neck pain, back pain, lower back pain, especially from sitting from hours at your desk doing work. So it is a powerful anti-inflammatory, muscle relaxant, and overall soother, which I highly recommend. I mean, all these oils are critical and a daily staple in my routine. That always consult your medical practitioner or GP before taking any natural remedy. It's just to protect yourself and make sure that if you have any existing condition, that these essential oils are actually compatible with the conditions that you may have and may not do more harm than good. So that's it, guys. These are the 3 essential oils that I use in my daily routine to help manage pain, whether it's a workout pain, gut pain, stomach cramps, menstrual flow issues. You can use it in a cream, in a carrier oil, or a healing bath, or a diffuser. There's so many ways to do this, and these are just the 3 that I use on my daily basis. Try out other oils. Let me know what you think. Comment on my channel. Let me know other oils that you've used for pain. Let me know if you've tried these essential oils and if it's really helped to alleviate any of the pains that I've described today. So if you like today's content, click on the like and subscribe, and I'll appreciate your support. Until next time, thanks guys for tuning in.